Can foreigners or non-Muslims inherit property in Dubai? The short answer is yes. Foreigners, non-Muslims, can absolutely inherit property in Dubai, but the process requires proactive legal planning to ensure client wishes are followed. Dubai and the wider UAE have made significant positive legal reforms to provide clarity and flexibility for non-Muslim residents and foreign investors. Here is the breakdown. 1. The default law if no will exists. Traditionally, in the absence of a registered will, the inheritance of assets in the UAE, including property, for everyone, regardless of religion, would default to the principles of Sharia law. However, recent legal reforms in the UAE now provide a civil law framework for non-Muslims. New default rule: if non-Muslim dies without a will, under the new Federal Decree Law number 41 of 2022, Civil Personal Status Law, if a non-Muslim dies without a registered will, the estate will generally be distributed as follows. Spouse receives 50% of the estate. Children receive the remaining 50%, divided equally between sons and daughters. No gender distinction. This is the new statutory default for non-Muslims, but it might still not align perfectly with client wishes, making a will essential. Second, the investor's best practice, the registered will. To ensure client's property goes exactly to the person or people they choose, spouse, children, a partner, or anyone else, you must register a will in the UAE. A properly registered will allows you, as a non-Muslim, to override the default. It prevents the default Sharia or the new civil law distribution from being automatically applied. Appoint heirs. You specify exactly who inherits your property and in what specific proportions. Appoint guardians. If you have minor children, you can specify chosen temporary and permanent guardians, which is a major protection for your family. Choose home country law. You can explicitly choose to have the inheritance laws of your home country applied to the distribution of your UAE assets. Where to register a will in Dubai? The two most popular and reliable options for non-Muslim expats are DIFC Wills Service Center and Dubai Courts Notary Public. DIFC Wills Service Center follows English common law. Documents are drafted and registered in English, highly recommended for a smooth and certain process. Dubai Courts Notary Public is official local option. The will may need to be translated into Arabic and follow local court procedures. As a RERA compliant agent, I strongly advise all foreign property investors to view a UAE registered will as a mandatory part of the property purchase process. The few $100s you spend on legal fees to register a will save your beneficiaries potentially thousands of dollars and months or even years of court complexities and delays during a very difficult time. It is the only way to gain 100% control over your estate planning.